Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am Joe, or JB11 Games, bringing you guys a new Easter egg. Now, if you enjoyed this Easter egg and you tried it out and you were actually successful in it, make sure to leave it a like on this video because it's by far the coolest Easter egg I've ever seen in GTA 5 so far. Now, this is going to be a secret ghost that I found in GTA 5, and I know the ghost will look pretty photoshopped, but it's not. It's real. So you have to be there at exactly 11 o'clock. It'll come exactly at 11 o'clock. It'll pop in, and as you can see, there is the ghost. And as I said before, it does look a little photoshopped, but trust me, it isn't. And it actually has a bit of a story behind it, just because as you can see, there's a little bit of blood under it, and actually has writing under it. But I'm going to show you guys the location. It is directly to the right of the map, in the top right. And I'm just going to kind of show you guys exactly where it is. It's kind of like in that little crack right there. Just look for that top of the mountain, and you should find two bushes right beside it, and you'll be able to find it. And here I actually try to approach the ghost and see what happens. And actually, as you'll see, the closer you get, it'll disappear. And I want to see what the blood is, and it's actually a writing that says Jock. And what this made me think of is Jock Cranley, the guy who's kind of like running for mayor of San Andreas or something. And that's kind of what it made me think of. I think it's him. I'm almost pretty sure. But I did a bit more research on it, and turns out it is Jock. And there was like a whole crime scene involved where like he murdered somebody, and I think that's his ex-wife or something. So yeah, that's a pretty cool story behind it. And if you try to shoot it like I did right now, nothing really happens. It's just there basically. And it's there until 11:59, and then at 12 it disappears. So from 11 to 12 it is there. And to find this place, it's kind of like in front of the lighthouse. Like if you look over the rock of where the ghost is, you should see the lighthouse. So that's where she is. I waited there all day, like a whole GTA day, not a real life day, but a whole GTA day. And there I found her, and it was pretty cool. I saw this Easter egg from a few other people, so I thought I'd try it out, and I saw it on a few forums, and it's a pretty cool thing that I saw, and I want to show it to you guys. I recommend you guys go try it out. I'm not punking you guys or anything. This is a real Easter egg. I found it really, really cool. I recommend you guys go try it out, and if you did, and you were successful, make sure to leave a like on this video. Remember, it only comes at 11 p.m. at night, so go try it out then, and it'll be gone at midnight, so you only have about an hour in GTA time to go check it out. I found a pretty cool Easter egg, and make sure you guys go check it out. So this has been JB11 Games. Peace out.